or tessellated fundus is found in cases of high myopia. Any patient who is having high myopia due to the retinal thinning, more visibility of choriocapillaries, you can get the stygroid fundus. You can also get the posterior staphylomas. This is found in high myopia. In high myopia, we can get the posterior bunch of grape-like appearance called as the posterior staphyloma. And then interpretation of the retinoscopy. Whenever we are doing the retinoscopy, for the refractive error, we can get three kind of movements. One is no movement, where we are getting the neutralization. With movement mein, that is along. And number three is against. Against is means in the opposite direction. So if your reflex is having no movement, that means myopia is exactly equal to 1 diopter. Along में myopia less than 1 है, emetropia can be there or hypermetropia can be there, because whenever it is opposite, it is myopia more than 1 diopter. So whenever we have given the retinoscopy, follow this rule and you can tell whether it is myopia, whether it is emetropia or whether it is hypermetropia. This is the Sturm's conoid conical arrangement that you get in cases of astigmatism. This was asked in NEET PG 2023. This is found in the astigmatism. We have different kind of astigmatism at different points in cases of astigmatism, and you can see this D. D is actually the circle you are getting. This is the circle of diffusion. This is the circle of diffusion, and circle of diffusion will give you the least symptoms. So where do you get the least symptoms? At the circle of diffusion, where the power of convergence and the power of divergence will be exactly equal. Power of convergence and power of the divergence is exactly equal. Finally, you have orbit. Orbit में you see the proptosis. Proptosis के लिए we have two views, worm's eye view and the Naviger's view. So basically patient is lying. If I am standing at the hand end of the patient, it is Naviger's view. If you are standing at the foot end, it is the worm's eye view. You can measure it with the help of the Hertel's exophthalmometer. Exophthalmometer say you can measure it. Here you can just observe, here we can measure it, and the typical Coca-Cola bottle sign due to the relative sparing of the tendons, this is found in the thyroid eye disease, which is the most common cause of the thyroid eye disease, which is the most common cause in the adults. Whenever we are talking about the adults, the most common cause of proptosis remains the thyroid eye disease. Beautiful Coca-Cola bottle sign. They have fitted the Coca-Cola bottle inside this, but they will not give you an image something like this. They will give you a normal image where you can appreciate that there is a sparing of tendons, origin and insertion are normal, and belly has thickened to form a Coca-Cola bottle. This is there. So we have completed all the things. This is the previous